Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Coach Pickaleena from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. Next, inside each eye, let's add another circle on the bottom right. And now let's color these both in black. And now on each eye, let's add a few eyelashes on the top. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the trunk and the mouth. Let's leave a gap, and under the eyes, let's draw 2 curves coming down and in. And now from both ends, let's curve it out to the left. And then let's curve it down and over to the right from both sides. And then a wavy line at the end to close it off. And that's it for the trunk. Next, let's hop up and add the mouth. From the top, let's step down and let's draw a curve out and then bring it up. And the same on the right. Now from both ends, let's curve it back in to the trunk like this. And lastly for the mouth, let's move inside and add the teeth. Inside at the top, let's draw a square shape down. And the same thing on the right. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop up on the top left and add the bow. Next to the left eye here, let's add a rectangle. Then from both sides, let's angle it out, down, and back in. And that's it for the bow. Next, let's start drawing the shape of the body. On the top, next to the bow here, let's draw a curve over for the top of the head. Then let's curve it out and angle it down. And now top over to the left side and add another angle down as well. Next on top, let's add the ears. On the top right, let's add a wavy curve up. And the same thing on the left, starting from the bow. Then from the ends, let's curve it back down. And lastly, inside at the top, let's add another curve. And that's it for the ears. Next, let's move down and draw the arms and hands. Let's start underneath the mouth on the left side and let's draw 2 curves down. And the same on the right. Now let's add the boxing gloves. Let's start with a curved rectangle shape underneath each arm. And then inside each one, let's add another rectangle. Now from the outside line, let's curve it down and bring it in. And then let's curve it up. One more smaller curve inside. And then one more curve to close off each glove. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's move to the outside and draw the legs. From the outside lines we drew earlier, let's curve it downwards. Then let's hop in and add another curve next to it here. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve down and out from both sides. And now a curve across the bottom to close off each foot. Now let's hop inside and add the toes with 3 curves up like this. And that's it for the feet. Now let's finish drawing the body. From the top of the leg, let's curve it over towards the arm. And then continue it on the other side down to the trunk. And now let's do the same thing from the other side. And that's it for Coach Pickaleena. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!